babae.
Can I answer?
Oh, sure, yes. Kuya Jano will answer na lang po on behalf of the ladies.
Opinion lang, Jun. Opinion lang.
Huwag na. Yaman na. Sensitive ako. Ito sa mga gusto sumagot lang, intragahin ko itong mga babae.
Yan.
Itong mga babae na talaga. Okay. Kasi si Senator Jinggoy nagpahayag tungkol sa mga VMX movies.
Nako, Sir June, ano ko po kayo dyan. Well, no mention of political or social issues po. Pasensya na po. I didn't mention this earlier.
Maraming bawal kanina. Maraming bawal ng bigla. Hindi niya na ako sinabi.
Ay, hindi po ba na-inform si Sir June? Pasensya na po. Pasensya na po.
Goodbye.
Can I answer?
Oh, sure, yes. Kuya Jano will answer na lang po on behalf of the ladies.
Opinion lang, Jun. Opinion lang.
Huwag na. Yaman na. Sensitive ako.
Pasensya na po, Sir June.
Not this time.
Sagutin ko lang.
Sige po. Sige po, Kuya Jano.
Sagutin ko, Jun. Jun.
Go push.
Hindi, ako opinion ko lang naman. Senator Jinggoy is doing his job. He's doing it very well. Meron naman, he has all the right to say sa kanyang opinions. But ako, personally, ang opinion ko is, one, Viva Max is not a public viewing venue. It's a private viewing venue. So nagbabayad ka na ikaw lang mag-isa hindi naman kayo public na marami kayong manonood na. Two, it has child lock. Kailangan mo ng credit card, pwede mo i-child lock. Second, there is nothing on Viva Max that you cannot see on Netflix. So, paano? I-censor din ba natin Netflix? Wala tayong napapanood sa Viva Max na hindi napapanood sa Netflix. Na-eksena. Sometimes even more sa Netflix, diba? And third, Viva Max has given these girls chances that they wouldn't have had in other fields, in the mainstream field. So for a lot of them, this is a great stepping stone. So ang daming binibigay ng trabaho ng Viva Max. Plus, also, may mga hindi magandang pagkagawa na, let's face it, na movies. But most of the movies are directed and written by well-regarded directors and writers. So, quality-wise, maganda siya. Of course, there are some bad things. But, yun ang opinion.
Magaling talaga ni Jano. Diba?